well. And kama kawaida, tunashukuru Mungu for blessing us, giving us another chance to enjoy this day. So guys, semeni ku sign a deal, nitonga ku sign a deal. Na 2022 nakwambia new month, new things manze. I just wanted to share a good news that I just signed a beautiful, wonderful deal with this amazing company. I don't know if you've heard of it. It's not that new in the market. It's 1 year right now, 1 year old and going. Yeah, and it's a honey company called Zhavia Premium Honey. That's their product, but it's called Zhavia Enterprises. So I secured this deal. Is God not amazing? And that's what I was praying for: prosperity, financial. Of course, Nikki secure deal. My pockets are raw. So I managed to secure this deal, and I'll be showing you their honey. This their honey. I don't know if you've come across these companies' honey, Zhavia Premium Honey. It's one of the bestest honey in the market. First of all, by there I'll be taking you through that. They're 1 kg and these they are a half kg. They only package 1 kg and half kg. And for them, first of all, let me just give you all the good news. For them, Valentine's comes early since this is the month of love. They've decided to extend the love to you, to the new clients, and even the coming when you're wakikuja. We have a great discount, a great offer. For this 1 kg goes for 1,000 bob in any outlet that you find this asali, but for them they give it at 800 shillings, a slash of 200 bob. Utapata wapi such a discount? Utapata wapi? Just in Zhavia Enterprises. And just as the name premium, the honey is premium, legit. Hey, legit honey. Have you ever tasted legit honey? Taste it with Zhavia. And so I'm going to be taking you through on how to test good honey. There are many people who don't know as in how to know. Kuna very many fake honey huko nje. Unapata zingine unaekewa honey and then it has some bees on top or inside. They stir the bees inside the honey so that you can be, hey, imetoka tu direct kwa nyuki. But is it legit? Is it quality honey that you're getting? And when it gets to some point, maybe after some few days or some few weeks, the honey separates itself. The sugar goes down, the molasses goes down, and then the little legit honey inabaki hapa on top. Why does that happen? Because, and cheap is expensive. You get that 1 kg with 500 bob or 600 shillings, but ukienda kwa nyumba ni kama umenunua tu sukari nguru. Ukienda kwa nyumba, it won't serve you. You come realize after some days imecrystallize, and you can't use it, and even the taste changes. Why? Because it has some impurities. It has been added commercial sugars. It has molasses. It has all sorts of things. But with Zhavia Premium Honey, it doesn't disappoint. And many can attest to this. I can attest to this because I have used it myself and it is legit. And first of all, let me tell you, this company purchases their honey, then they make sure it goes for testing for any, just to ensure there's no impurities, no added sugar, no commercial sugar, no molasses. Like the honey is pure honey. And also they check for the moisture content. Many people don't realize that when the honey has too much moisture, it tends to crystallize very easily. when you sometimes you can get pure honey, but when you go to your house with it, when it stays for some days or when it just gets to a cold place, it crystallizes very fast. Why? Because its moisture content is very high. But for this company, they make sure that they test to make sure that the moisture content is well balanced to avoid crystallization of the honey. Yeah, so get yourself this. This goes for 450, a slash of 150, because the normal price is 600. So rush and get yourself Zhavia Premium Honey. So I'll be leaving their contacts down below. Go contact them. Tell them that you've seen this post from Almax Kenya, and you'll surely get from 5 pieces and above. You'll also get another discount courtesy of Almax Kenya. So just say you're buying it courtesy of Almax Kenya, and you'll get another discount on top of the Valentine's offer. How good is that deal? How good is that deal? I'll be showing you how to test honey quality honey. And if I have that confidence to do so, that means then that I trust this brand and this is the best brand. So first of all, you're going to test it with a matchstick. If it lights up, then it means the honey is pure. And another second step that I'll be showing you is by putting it in a glass and empty, as in you put some water. I'll be putting some water here inside, then pour the honey, then I'll show you the procedure. So usibanduke. So guys, let's unseal this. It's sealed, as you can see, it is sealed. So let's remove the seal. Then I have my glass of water here with me. So let me show you how to test for quality honey. When I pour this honey, it should run directly and settle down here below. As you can see, I don't know how to show you. Yeah, so I'll pour. Let me pour. As you can see, it should not float. Pure honey should not float. I don't know if you can see, but it should not float. This is a reflection. Upper on top, it's just a reflection. I don't know how to show you guys. As you can see, imesettle chini kabisa, juu there's nothing floating. So we are going to stir it using a spoon. So we stir. It should dissolve completely. It should dissolve and it should not leave any particles. That's how you test for quality pure honey. If it's not pure, some particles will be left down here below, you know. So as you can see, it has really dissolved so well. I don't know if you can see well, but it has dissolved so well. There is no particle down here. There is no particle completely. It may dissolve kabisa. That's how you know if your honey is legit. And even as you can see how it runs kwa kijiko. It is pure. Hmm? Then it is so smooth, so smooth. And let me tell you guys, honey is harvested in different parts of the world, and there are different seasons of honey. So honey can vary with taste depending in Mali ilikuwa harvested, as in Mali bees ilikuwa. It really depends, cause and depending with the season and depending on what the bees are feeding on. So kuna honey utafeel ina taste floral, as in ina taste kama cactus, zingine zina taste herbalish, you know. Kuna different tastes za honey. So some people think that it's flavored or something. So it really depends. And kama the bees that feeds on cactus, you'll feel the taste in that honey. You'll just feel that taste. You'll just feel it. It's so different. Na ita taste tu ka cactus. Yeah. Honey depends. The taste of the honey depends with the season, what the bees have been feeding on. Yeah. And also the moisture content depends. Unajua, there are bees that really take, unajua, bees kwanza za forest, you cannot control them. You know, tell them usikunywe maji hapa, usikunywe maji inatoshana hivi. Yeah. So uh, when the moisture content is high, that doesn't mean that the honey is bad or something. But also there are people who corrupt the honey, you know, the product uko kwa market, so that they can get more money and all that. Yeah, unapata wengine unaongeza added sugars, nini nini. So kwa market kumekuwa na too much fake honey, like too much, until imefika point people are really scared to buy or purchase honey because they don't know which is legit. You buy one, everyone is telling you mine is legit, and then when you go, it disappoints you, you know. Yeah, and it is so bad when you buy honey thinking, and you know honey is medicinal, and then you buy it for the purpose of maybe ukikuja jioni, you can just choose it in your hot water with some lemon, some ginger and garlic. Just also when you have some cold, you can use it. When you want some beauty, you can also scrub yourself with some honey, and then you know you get disappointed when it's all molasses, it's all inaitwa jaggery, skarenguru. Yeah. So it's disappointing. The market, honey imekuwa faked. Kuna counterfeits za honey so much, so much. And usidanganye ukiona ati nini bees kwa honey, and you're like, you just run for it. Test money pure. And then our second procedure, we're going to be using a matchstick, and then I'll use a bit of kahani. You just place kidogo tu. I don't know if you can see. Unapitisha tu kidogo. Ukiweka pia excess itakata kuwaka. So unapitisha tu kidogo kwa nini. And then you take a matchbox. You see? That's legit now. That's legit. That's legit honey now. That's what I'm talking about. Let me repeat it again so that you can clearly see what I'm talking about. Legit honey. Hata siitoi mbali kutoka hapa tu. From here. Msiseme nimeitoa huko kando. Legit honey. You see? You see? Yeah, that's legit honey. Yeah. So I promise and I guarantee you that this is the best honey in the market so far. Zhavia Premium Honey. So go get yourself one. Go with the name Almax Kenya, and they're going to give you a special discount courtesy of Almax Kenya. Yeah. So and also don't forget this that Valentine's offer. Gift your honey some honey from Zhavia Premium Honey. So embrace this. Go try it out. Leave your comments down below if you've ever used this brand, and tell us how did you find it. Yeah, so thank you so much for your time. Go, if you have some honey and you're doubting it, go use those methods, the match stick one, and also the dropping one in a glass with clear water. It should not float here, but it should settle down clearly. There's nothing that should be floating on top. And then afterwards, just stir completely until everything dissolves. There should be nothing at the bottom. So yeah, go use those methods, try, test it. Is it legit or ulicheso? So yeah, leave your comments, share. If you have a friend who has been, you know, buying a honey and it has been disappointing them, tell them that there is this company called Zhavia Premium Honey having one of the best products confirmed by Almax Kenya. So asanteni sana guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back, Manze. If you're my gang. Thank you so much for your support, Manze guys. We like, you're the ones who really motivate me to do more and more and more. No, hadi my deals zimeanza kukama my way. Yeah, so I really owe all that to you. Thank you for your support. And anyone who's out there who would want me to market their product, their business, or any other form, kindly inbox me, and I'll be gladly to do business with you. So for now, we are going to wrap it there. Welcoming everyone, every new member here. If you're watching this video for the first time, kindly just click that button, the subscribe button. It surely will support um this channel. It really also motivates me, Manze. When I wake up, look at my channel, and I'm like, wow, there's one more new member. I really feel blessed and happy. So guys, asanteni sana. And yeah, let me just wrap it there. It has been a girl. Until next time, bye bye.